Hello, how you doing? So as you can see, we've got some chicken there in a tomato sauce. This is fantastic with pasta. It's very, very simple. I'm making a really kind of basic sauce here with some beautiful fried chicken. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we're going to kick off with a couple of chicken legs, bone in, skin on. Now these are pretty big. These are pretty chunky looking sizes, these ones. Very simply, we're going to get to the cooker, get these on the go. So you're going to need a pan, skillet or something like that. In there I've got oil. I'm using sunflower oil. Now I'm being fairly generous with it, so there's maybe about 6 tablespoons there. We're going to grab our big boys here. Medium heat, not too high. I'm going to get these in. I mean, you can see my fist. You can see how big they are. You can use a different part of the chicken if you want. You don't have to use legs. We're going to just salt and pepper these, and then we're going to fry them around for about 6 minutes on a, like I say, medium heat. You don't want it too high. And I'll be turning it often, and when I turn it for the first time, I'm going to salt and pepper the other side. Okay, they're looking absolutely beautiful. Now, very important that you don't have the heat up too high, because they're going to be blackened on the outside, not this lovely golden brown, and raw in the middle. And like I say, these are quite big, so I've had to go quite gentle with them. What we're going to do is we're going to take them out, set them aside. We're going to reduce that oil down by about 80%. So the oil's been reduced down. Now we've got some lovely flavour in there, so don't throw that away. You've got all that lovely chicken and the seasoning there. Medium heat again, we're going to go a cup of onion sliced, a tablespoon of chopped garlic. You can slice that up if you want. And then I've got 2 teaspoons here of thyme and oregano, or oregano as many of you call that. Medium heat, 4 to 5 minutes, stirring fairly often. Those onions and garlic are cooked down beautifully. Here I've got tomato paste, 250 grams or just over a cup. About another 3 or 4 more minutes. Really want to cook this out with the onions. Keep stirring pretty much all the time now. Yeah, I really like to cook this paste out a little bit. Then we're going to add now 2 cans of tomatoes, which they were plum tomatoes. I've crushed them with my hand roughly. So that's 400 ml is a can, a regular sized can. So we've got 800 ml there. When I say a regular sized can, have I got a regular sized can of anything? Yeah, that's, I mean, these are chickpeas, but that kind of size can, yeah? Medium heat, let's go for another 4 minutes, just get it on its way. Then we're going to be adding the chicken, very simple. Just a few minutes there just to get it on its way. Right, we're going to grab our chicken. We're going to pop that on the top, like so. We're going to get a lid on this, and we're going to go now on a low heat. I'm going to put this down to a simmer for about 8 to 9 minutes. You don't have to do anything, you can just leave it alone. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's get that lid off there and have a look. Beautiful. Check that for seasoning, salt and pepper. It's going to be fine for me. There was enough salt and pepper on the chicken and in the oil that we used. But yeah, you check it. That is a very, very simple chicken tomato. And there you have it. Now I've made a very sort of basic version. If you wanted, while you were cooking the sauce, when you've got the onions in, you could have added some celery. You could have put some wine into this, you know, some red or white wine. You could have chopped some olives in there. That's up to you. Keeping it really nice and beautifully simple. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Get your pasta ready. Lots of love. Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now, if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you.